Hello everyone. Today we are in second lesson of our PowerPoint lesson. As I promised in the past lesson, we are going to learn everything about gradient and gradient color and how to use them. Before that, we click here and by right click, left clicking and holding, we create a rectangle here. Why we do this create this rectangle? For you to understand what gradient color do. For that, we create right click on this shape, format shape, and in fill we use gradient fill. Okay, let's understand what gradient fill do. Gradient fill make our shape in many different fills. Let's take a test. For example, let me choose this color to the colors that they are more visible for you. Let me delete this, make this red, and make this last one, I think blue is nice. Okay, as you can see, the first color starts from here, the purple, in the middle is red, and in the down is blue. We can change where the colors to happen by changing, I delete this, let me create it another time. We can change the color position by changing the position of this shape. And we can also change the position of this shape. For example, if we put these two colors here, we have more blue and more purple, but we can put them back to have the colors. Or if you want, for example, if you want a clear blue here, what you do, you create a blue one, and you can see the place between these two is pure blue. You can see, you can make them higher, and the place between these two is pure blue. The thing that we are doing in gradient fill is that we are mixing two colors from the distance, and it's very useful. Okay, let's see what these options do. You can use that something it has already if you want. But if you want to create something yourself, you must use this. This place tells you that the type of the color mixture is linear, radial, or rectangular, or path. Let's learn what linear have. It has so many directions. You can put it like this, from this square to this square, or you can make it like this, and you can also change the color here too. For example, you can create something amazing like this. This is good, I think. And also you can use this kind of options. It has many options. Let me make the purple more visible. This is the linear. And also you can change the angles to the type you want. It's amazing how you can use it. And you can also add more colors or delete them by these two. You can more colors by adding here or clicking here. You can add more color. And you can also delete the colors by clicking and clicking here. You can choose the color here. More colors, eyedrop. We speak about them. You can change the position of them by using here. You can change the transparency here. I don't tell you about transparency here, but I tell you in the next videos what is it. You can also choose the brightness. I speak about these options in the next lesson, but not now. And you also have radial. The radial thing make something radial mixture. It's amazing. And you can see it's very great to see. You can also change the color to create something like this. It's really beautiful, and it's made beautifuler if we use it on something like this. Let me create a circle and then use gradient. You can see how amazing this thing made. If you make it bigger, it's really amazing. We can create something beautiful like this, for example. You don't need to understand what I'm doing. I'm gonna tell you everything to every last piece in the next lesson. But you can create something amazing like this, some effect like this. They are very beautiful effects. Okay, after that we have radial kinds. They are the center of radial, where to be center of circle. We have the rectangular type, and also we have path. The path type is the hardest one for using. If you don't understand and don't know how to use it, don't be so shame. I too don't use it a lot, but it's for the ones who like to do something precious and some kind of very, or I tell some kind of, how I tell that they are, may I speak like this, maybe in your lifetime you don't need to use half type once or twice, but it's here. And also the thing I lose about rectangular, the effect that you create, it's like to going in something. Let me create this for you, make it bigger. The perspective you can create like this. It's really amazing how you can create something so perspective so easily. Okay, it's good for now. Let's say transition. You can see it's like going in depths. It's very beautiful, and with some color managing you can make it better. For example, let's make this color a little darker and this to a little darker and this to a little darker and this a little brighter. And now you can understand the depth very easily. We are going in depth. Okay, this is today we learn about gradient and how to use it. If you like to learn about the path thing, you can ask in the comments. I try to create a video on it, but now we don't want to create it, and I don't really care about this. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are in the way to the 1,000 subscribers. Your support is mean a lot, a word to me, a world to me, not a word. I really appreciate your support. Have a good day.